Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Throne and Liberty disconnected from server. Method 1. Check server status. This is the first step in determining what is causing connection problems in most online games. Here, please use Google search or the link in description to visit game homepage. Next, go to support page. Here, you can view detailed information about the status of the game server. Besides, NCSoft developed a Discord bot for Throne and Liberty that sends updates on server status. You can use the command /servers to show all servers at once or use /subscribe server to select your server that you play on. It will then automatically post when the server is back up or down for maintenance. Method 2. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Then wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PC and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 3. Disable IPv6. To do this, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching the game and see if disconnect error is resolved. Method 4. Use manual DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 1.1.1.1. On alternate DNS server, input 1.0.0.1. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, relaunching the game and see if disconnect error is fixed. Method 5. Try use VPN. If you are using VPN while launching Throne and Liberty, then try disable it or change other servers, then relaunching the game. Otherwise, try using a VPN. There are many VPNs and you can find them through Google search. Here I will use Proton VPN for this test, because it has a free version and its speed is also very stable. When we have a VPN, connect to any server, then relaunch Throne and Liberty and see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. If you are using third-party antivirus software such as AVG, Norton, Avast, etc., then try disable or uninstall them. Because the antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 7. Clear DNS cache. On your keyboard, press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press enter. Final. Restart your PC, then relaunching Throne and Liberty and see if disconnect error is resolved. Method 8. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam library. Right-click on Throne and Liberty, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. This process can take a few minutes to several dozen minutes depending on the size of the game. Once done, relaunch Throne and Liberty and see if the problem is fixed. Finally, if the problem still appears from time to time, it is most likely due to server overload or not yet stable, a sudden increase in the number of players at the time the game was released, or during holidays, and free time can be the cause of this problem. And what you can do now is wait for the publisher to optimize the server system, and come back at another time. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.